Hello, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the brand spanking new Slaves of Darkness Chaos Knights for Age of Sigmar. These brand new sculpts and a welcome addition to any budding Chaos Warlord warband. Man, I mean, these models look fantastic. We saw a preview of these models a little while ago, and I'm sure upon this release date, we've gotten plenty more information on these guys as far as how they handle on the tabletop. And yeah, they look fantastic. I hope they have lots of options. In this box is 5 Citadel miniatures, and on the back, we get a look at all the prettiness. Yeah, they're very cool. They got the lances, they got musicians, they got standard bearers, and of course they've got a nice big bold champion. Very, very cool. They actually kind of, the one guy on the left looks a bit like a Cataphractii Terminator from Horus Heresy. Just saying. Just throwing that out there. All right, let's dive in. Let's have a look. Let's get this box open, for gosh sakes. Oh man, let's dive in. Dive in. Dive. Come on, let me in. Let me in. Not by the hairs of my chinny chin. There we go. Chaos Knights. Oh man, this is exciting. These models, when they first previewed these models, I was really, really excited because, I mean, I don't even play Chaos, and yeah, these are fantastic looking models. So it looks like we got 3.5 sprues. We should have enough bases to cover them all. Let's have a quick look at the instruction book. The instruction book is pretty standard affair, has the rules on the back. Looks like the warriors get quite a few options, and yeah. Gives you a quick little color guide and where to find the guides to paint up your Citadel miniatures. Yeah, it looks like the options probably are for the musician and a regular warrior, standard bearer and a regular warrior. Yeah, with a lance. Yeah. So the only, but you can on the standard bearer put different icons. Ah, very, very cool. Of course, we get the champion. Champion can have a hammer or a lance. Different head option for his horsey. Interesting. Very, very, oh, he gets different shields. All right. So let's have a look at the sprues. Let's get all these bases out of the way. And of course, there's the standard cavalry bases. They got the little holes in them. Why? Not sure. Horses are nice and big, chunky looking plastic. Lances are pretty darn big. Holy moly. Lots of detail. Interesting. Like there's some pegs and such. Oh yeah, they're pegged together. Oh. It's a bit of a throwback to the assembly days. Having the pegs to join the two big halves together. Very, very interesting they went with that choice, considering the way, you know, some of the larger kits get put together these days. How they're, you know, there's no pegs or anything like that, but you end up gluing like a little bit of the chest to the arm, to the thigh, and, you know, all that. Very interesting choice. Multi-head options? I didn't pay attention during the booklet. I don't think so. I don't see any extra heads, like unhelmeted heads. The horses look great, though. Nice, sharp, clean, crisp details that we've come to expect from Citadel miniatures. Yeah, these are pretty darn cool looking models, man. Not gonna lie. These are pulling me in. They're swaying me in the slightest of ways. Love the standard. I think standard bearers on horsey back are really, really cool. They just conjure up all that really nice imagery of, you know, knights and chivalry. But I mean, these guys are bad guys, of course, right? So, but anyway, that is the Chaos Knights box set coming out, up for pre-order as of the release of this video. A big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. Be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there's various tiers of support. Huge thank you to all my patrons for their continued support. And all you brand new ones, take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next exciting unboxing, or useless review, or painting tutorial, just a tip. Maybe a painting live stream, maybe a Way of the Brush live stream. You might even see a battle report. Who knows? All right, see you in the next one.